In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDF file in Google Drive. Tutorial using DocHub in Google Drive. We'll walk through how to open a PDF stored in your Google Drive and edit it using DocHub, a popular tool that works right inside your browser. This is great for filling out forms, adding notes, or making quick corrections without downloading any special software. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account and that your PDF is already uploaded to Drive. Start by opening Google Drive. You can do this from your browser's address bar or via your Apps menu. Once Drive is open, locate the PDF you want to edit. If you have a lot of files, use the search bar at the top and type the file name or type PDF to filter your results. When you see the PDF, click it once to select it so you know you've got the right file. Then double-click the file to open it in the Drive preview window. In the preview, look for the Open With option at the top, click the drop-down and choose DocHub. If you don't immediately see DocHub in the list, click Connect More Apps, search for DocHub and connect it to your Drive. You may be asked to grant permissions. This simply allows DocHub to open and save your PDF in Drive. After connecting, return to the preview, click Open With again and select DocHub. Your PDF will open in a new tab within the DocHub editor. Inside DocHub, you can now edit your PDF. To add text, select the text tool, click where you want the text to appear and start typing. You can adjust font, size, color, and alignment from the toolbar. Drag the text box to reposition it and use the handles to resize it if needed. If you're filling a form, align the text boxes neatly over the fields for a clean result. DocHub also supports highlights, shapes, check marks, and signatures, which you can use as needed to annotate or complete forms more thoroughly. As you work, DocHub saves changes automatically, but it's a good habit to look for Save or Save to Drive to confirm your edits are stored. When you're done, you can close the DocHub tab and return to Drive. Your edited PDF will be there. If you want a separate copy, use Download or Save as a new file from DocHub to keep the original unchanged. And that's it. Open Google Drive, open your PDF, choose Open with DocHub, add your text and save. You're ready to edit PDFs quickly and confidently right from your Drive.